Hello everyone. Today I made chicken without oil. So no oil, no onions frying, no tomatoes frying, nothing. And you see how much oil this chicken has already. So what I did, I marinated the chicken first with yogurt and some spices, but no oil. And then I warmed water and I added some paste like some tomatoes, some cashews, some stuff, spices, and just boil it a little bit. And then I put the chicken, the marinated one. I just closed the lid and just cooked on poultry. Okay, and that's it. And see how it cooked. No hard work. I just generally it cooks for 15 minutes. I put it like 18, and that's it. Now I wanna try how it tastes. Still looking good though. No hard work, nothing. I'm gonna see if it tastes good. If it tastes good, then most likely I'm gonna cook the same way. So chicken has its own way of oil. I see a tiny bit of difference, but I don't see much difference. It tastes good. At least it tastes good to me. I cooked nice and soft. Thanks for watching. Bye.